Hello everyone. In this lesson, how can we register via Google? We will look at it. Now let's come to our sign up HTML. Here we have given our action. It will be similar to Facebook login process. That's why I am copying the codes. Just change the method name to Google. We are changing the place that say Facebook to Google. We can say login here. We need to adjust our settings from our web browser. We have made adjustments for Facebook login process via developer.facebook. Now we need to go to Google's developer page. We come to the browser. I am writing console.developer. I go to the first page. If you have a Gmail account, it will appear directly in front of you. We will create a new project. We will also do the necessary action on the project we have created. I click on new project. It asks us for a new project name. I am typing social media app and clicking on the project name and creates. Our project has been created. Here I click select. I expect it automatically throw me into that project. Here are some APIs. Here we activate it by saying enable API. There are hints as to which API. It has categories. We will go to the Google Plus to be able to this. I choose the middle one. When I click enable button, we allow to connect Google accounts via social media. It took me to the home page. In order to make the authorization settings, we choose the credential from the left menu. Here we go to the page with information on what is allowed. The screen to enter information about what is allowed on the screen. We choose external as user type. I say create again. I am typing social media app here. Here I am giving my Gmail account. I am checking if you have this statement in the browser. Now let me click on it like this. Here I enter our email address. Save and let's continue. I'm looking what's up. Nothing much is needed here. We can move on to credentials. We don't need to make other settings for now. This should be allowed as we are going to request a connection with the OAuth 0.20. That's why I say create credential. We will make a request with OAuth client ID. It has to give us permission in line with the demands we make. Here we assign the verification process to Google. It asks us to choose the application type from here. Of course, it will be a web application. We write social media app in the other parameter. Here we also need to enter the URL of our projects. For this, you need to run the project. Let's our project work. We will copy our URL. Our project will run. I am copying the URL. Pass the URLs where it says. Then we type sign in Google and choose create. You remember from Facebook. You can also do this by saying at Google right after the code here. You can do it separately if you want. I will do it separately. I'm writing service.authentication.@Google. I also make our definition inside or at Google methods. We have opt.clientID and opt.secretValue. We enter these values. Let's try to code rewrite. I'm running the project. Let's see if it happened or not. Let's see with you. The project is up. I click the sign up link, then I click on Google. Google login process is displayed. I enter my Google account information and click the next link. After I enter my password correctly, we came to my breakpoints on the code sites. On the code site, I process with F10 and look at my control. I see success also comes through. It sent me back to the login screen. Let's check our database. I am looking at login table. He also posted my second recording here. You can also check the data here. You can check the data in the ASP.NET user tables and the user ID data in login table. Let's check our ASP.NET user table again. In the second line, it seems that Google has correctly received the data about our login or account, sorry. I will try to log in again. I am writing my email address. It didn't allow. It says that I have logged before. I am completing this lesson here. See you in our next lesson. Goodbye.